I think if local authorities really engage with their community, listen to what they're saying about the services that are available, and also listening to their ideas about how they can be improved, because with the engagement that we undertake, people bring very good ideas to the table about improvement, and improvement isn't often about improving the finances, but actually improving how they're delivered and how effectively they're delivered. And people have got a lot of good ideas, so more focus on engagement, more focus on communication and really hearing from people, and following up on collaborative ideas for how things could be delivered in a more simplified way from the people themselves. I think everybody wants to make sure that people remain as independent for as long as possible, and that when they need services that they really do meet their needs. So again, engagement and really good communication, good collaborative working, more ideas about simplifying how services actually could be delivered within community resources, and better feedback all round. So actually listening to what people are saying, not because it's just about criticism, but because it's about learning how to improve.